Hey guys, in this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code on your computer, Mac, Windows or Linux. And also I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code inside your IDE, for example, VS Code or Cursor. If you never heard about Claude Code yet, don't worry, I'll create another video about it. Claude Code is a basically agentic terminal-based AI coding assistant similar to Gemini CLI. So you can describe the task in natural language and have it generate, refactor, debug, or navigate your entire code base. It can work with multiple files at the same time, and everything will happen inside your terminal. The full tutorial about Claude I will make in my upcoming videos. There's multiple ways how you can install Claude. First, by using npm command. So if you have Node.js, you can use this command. If you don't have Node.js, you can use native install command, this one. On your Mac, Linux, or Windows, open the terminal and simply choose one of these commands. After that, hit enter, and in about 2 minutes, Claude Code will be inside your computer. To open Claude Code, simply write command Claude and hit the enter. After that, pick the theme and log into your Claude account. And that's it. Keep in mind that Claude Code is available only for Macs or Pro users. Okay, let's install Claude Code in VS Code. Simply open VS Code, then open extension, and after that in search field write Claude. Then you will see Claude Code extension. Simply click install, and voila, Claude Code installed in your VS Code. Now you can open the terminal, write the Claude command, again pick the theme, and log into your account. And then you can use Claude Code inside your VS Code. You also can call the Claude by simply click the icon at the top right corner. Okay, and the last thing, I'm going to show you how to install Claude Code inside your Cursor IDE. Simply open your Cursor IDE, then make sure you sign in, because if you don't sign in, you cannot search the Claude extension. So after you sign in, open the extension panel, and then in the search field, search for Claude. And after that, you will see Claude Code extension. Simply install it, and then Claude Code will be inside your Cursor IDE. So basically the steps almost the same as for VS Code, because Cursor is just a fork of VS Code. So after you install Claude Code, you can call it via the terminal, simply use Claude command, or you can simply click Claude icon at the top right corner. And that's it. So easy and simple. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.